Hello future crypto millionaires, in today's video we will take a closer look to the Cosmos ecosystem and their upcoming updates in order to establish if Atom is a safe bet for the upcoming bull market and to give you our estimated price prediction. Watch the video till the end as we will also share vaneck's analysis and their long-term price target. Without further delay, let's get started. Number 1. State of the ecosystem. Since Cosmos is a Layer 0 blockchain, the most important feature is having a healthy and thriving ecosystem. Regarding this, Cosmos proved that it deserves its place by having over 260 apps and services and a combined IBC market capitalization of $8.22 billion USD. Just as an example, back in June there were around $20 billion worth of cross-chain activity that flow through the IBC protocol. Cosmos ecosystem stood the test of time and has been tested and proved successfully several times, even on high-volume black swan events, and to put it simply, their blockchain just works the way it is supposed to. They do a ton of things right, providing an easy way for developers to build on their own blockchain, and their service works smoothly in high-traffic and unstable market scenarios, like the recent Luna UST crush. On that notorious day, Luna's network, which in case you didn't know, was built using Cosmos SDK, never malfunctioned, had any issues or downtimes. The chain has stopped producing blocks only when Terraform Labs requested it. Number 2. Past performance and future plans. Atom token reached a market cap of $11 billion in the last bull run, and the price rose from $6.49 on January 1, 2021, to a peak of $44.80 on September 20, 2021. There were for sure better returns of investment with coins like that, but a 7x performance is not bad at all. Why didn't Atom perform better? Huge projects like Binance Chain BNB, Terra Luna, Crypto.com CoinCRO are using Cosmos SDK or IBC protocol, but till now, the Atom token didn't do a great job about capturing the value from these projects. The Cosmos ecosystem is generating a ton of economic value, but only a very small percent was coming back to their token. Developers could do a lot of stuff inside the Cosmos network without even using their native token Atom. But this already started to change with the recent launch of liquid staking and the upcoming release of interchain security. Ahead of its mainnet launch early this month, Stride, a liquid staking protocol for the Cosmos blockchain ecosystem, raised $6.7 million in a seed funding round led by North Island VC, Distributed Global and Pantera Capital. This new mechanism allows users to tokenize their staking position, providing them with additional liquid assets that can then be utilized across other DeFi products and applications. This means, through liquid staking, users can now pursue other avenues to earn additional yield while maintaining core positions of their staked assets. Interchain security is a feature which will allow the Cosmos Hub to share security with other blockchains. On a technical level, this means that the Cosmos Hub validator set will gain the ability to validate other blockchains alongside the Cosmos Hub. These blockchains are called consumer chains, and will be secured by the Cosmos Hub's billions of dollars of staked atoms. Another bullish event will be the launch of 3 new stablecoins in the Cosmos ecosystem that will need Atom in order to mint the coins, locking up more supply. These 3 coins are USK developed by Team Kujira, IST by Agoric, and Composite, CMST, by Comdex. Next, we will talk about the development field, but before we delve deeper, if you want to support this channel, hit the like button, subscribe and click the bell notification icon. It's absolutely free and it will help us a lot continuing to create further crypto content for you. Number 3. Development team. Cosmos ecosystem is surging in popularity among developers because the Cosmos SDK has a low entry level. It has a ton of additional tools that facilitates the deploy of a blockchain in just a few weeks, instead of months or even years, on other networks, and has one of the best documentation out there. In a recent report published by Electrical Capital, the number of Cosmos developers between December 2020 and 2021 grew by 70%. Currently, Cosmos is ranked as number 3 in terms of developer activity, having over 1,000 monthly active developers, being surpassed only by Polkadot and Ethereum. The next big thing on the development scene will be the smart contracts. For that, the protocol codenamed Archway raised $21 million that will be used as developer rewards. Atom Price Forecast. In terms of future value, we strongly believe that Atom has a potential to at least 10x from here, but it will take longer than just a few months. The major things we are excited about, like liquid staking and the interchain security, are still in their early stage, so they will need time to mature, but we still think that they will show their value in the next bullrun cycle. As promised, here is the vaneck verdict and long-term price prediction, which was released earlier this month. Based on their discounted cash flow analysis of the potential Cosmos ecosystem value in 2030, they arrived at a $140 price target for the Atom token, with a downside to $1, meaning a 14 to 1 odds bet for the next few years. You can check their entire analysis, the link is in the description below.